People love to repair and maintenance their own cars. I also enjoy it very much. But the traditional OBD device in my hand has always bothered me. Too small screen. Not intuitive. Not fast enough, even though is cheap, but always crashes. Can't it be faster, larger interface, and smarter, like a smartphone?
Hey bro, still using that OBD you were so bad about? Let's check this out. A new experience. The MUCAR CDE900. With a larger screen and faster speed. You always said the screen was too small to read with presbyopia. Now, you can get a larger display area for lots of information. User-friendly UI design and operation layout, no longer dense text display. A variety of graphic icons display intuitive, convenient. They also keep the physical buttons, which are easy to use when wearing gloves. Touchscreen plus physical buttons, whether connected to the vehicle or not, are free to use. Still wondering why you don't need to connect the vehicle? It has 1500 mAh battery. No need to be connected to the OBD port to power it up anymore.
Sounds good. What else is besides these? Will the core function be better than the painfully slow and error-prone OBD scanner? I really fed up with all the messy data and codes of these old products. No more long waiting and crashes.
Don't worry about that. Let's see what CDE900 can do. 1 key to read common fault codes. No more long wait. Classify the fault code display and color distinction. You see, this full-in-one data stream. You can freely choose data to compare. Different colors represent different data. More intuitive for the fluctuation of data. It also supports maximum of 120 data streams. You can also store these fault codes and data stream conditions, so that you can reproduce the detection conditions at that time and finish the comparison. In addition, this device can send the diagnostic report by email to a professional technician for vehicle repair or maintenance with Wi-Fi function. One last thing. You always mention the software upgrade of old OBD scanner is horrible. The CDE900 can be upgraded with one click by using Wi-Fi connection, eliminating the need for using computer to upgrade.
That's right. No more horrible using experience. A product that understands user experience is really different. MUCAR CDE900, breaking through the limits of traditional OBD devices experience.